Sabat. Butong ko no this again. Nakalaliman ako mabutong.
So right now we're just waiting for Pastor Tony to catch us here. Yes, and we're waiting for our bag in the baggage.
Okay, Pastor. Okay.
Parang naglain na airport, no? Diri ka lang? Or balik? Ah, sige. Wala pa si Lovely. Layo pa siya. Yes, basuli sila. Okay, bye-bye. We just found Pastor Tony. We just found Pastor Tony. And we're gonna take the Uber. Aren't you sleepy? No. Waiting for the Uber.
Where's the Uber?
Where's the Uber? We're waiting for the Uber.
I'm driving a tricycle.
There's no such thing as tricycle in Singapore. There's only Uber. Yo, Micah. The Uber is here. Jilang. Yeah. We're in the Uber. We're in the Uber. Yeah, Uber. There's someone behind. There's the Uber. We're finally here! Ano mo yan? Ako na. Aisha. Na. Aisha. Ang kamay.
That's so hurry.
Open sesame. Okay, it's so small. Okay, our room is literally very small. Look, this is a bedroom towel. This is the toilet. This is the toilet. I can fit. This is the toilet. So small.
Hoy!
Okay.
No jumping!
So current situation.
Wait lang, Init.
We gotta go out and buy food for this little one. Because they're hungry. We're gonna buy in 7-Eleven at 3 a.m. At 3 a.m. in the night. In the morning, I mean. So we gotta go. Cha. Kabudlay gidya. Kabudlay gidya. Ako naanad na ta. So, we're in the middle of the night looking for some water and some food. Kay klase yung food ko. Kasi gusto sa mga hapos. Budlay. 7-Eleven. Yeah, we're buying foods at 7-Eleven. Oh no, my lens. Busog.
I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry, come on. Hello.
Eating lots of noodles.
Curry.
Sorry. It's the first day. Mommy, what's the schedule?
Jurong Park!
We're going to the bird park.
Bird Park!
Yes, we're waiting for our Grab. 5 minutes away.
Yes!
So we just arrived in Jurong Bird Park, but first things first, we gotta eat, man. We gotta eat. gotta eat. The peoples are hungry.
Hello,
the
si
kids
baby,
are
hello.
hungry.
Ang duwa ka vertical.
Nasa? Gano'n sila yun?
Shake it.
Do it, do it.
Do it, baby. Yun yung shaking, do it.
So today we're in the tram. We're just waiting for the passengers. Okay, yara, nagaling. Yung sound. So, we're in the lorry lock. I'm here with a bird.
Hello.
Yes. Ah! Oh, paano? How can I put this bird down? You want?
May gila kay mama sa likod.
What is that? It's a humongous bird with armor in his mouth. What? He look at me. Say hi, birdie. Ciao. We're doing. Hey. Oi, oi. Say. So, going to the fifth station. Into the fifth station. We are so tired. We are so red. We're gonna eat chicken rice again.
Ikaw, guro red ako.
The black one.
We are so black now. I'm so black.
Hi, Mike. What color is your face? Can you see your face?
Green.
It's color red. Look at that.
I'm color green.
Oh, who are you? The Incredible Hook.
Papa, I want to go to the playhouse.
Oo, gani. Wait lang pala matapos camera ko.
Let's go muna. Tara.
Ano siya? Napilas? Napilas siya? Pinapilas siya?
Dadalagan. Oo.
So Eunice just fell off and she bled. Her knees has blood. Let me see. Let me see the blood. Oh no. Smile, Anaya. Does it hurt you, okay? No. So we're going to the show right now. We're so scared. But this is a shortcut. The old lady said we're gonna see the Pizza Hut, and in front of the pizza is the show. This is the show. High flyers. Hi. Waiting for the show. So hot. Even the chairs are hot. Wow. Go up. So tiring. So right now we're going to expo and rest and eat there and wait for the service. We're gonna find one. We're gonna find the food. Kaya hold papa. Kaya na ako matabok na. May pudo yun. Nakasit na to. You can get your bad boy there. You can sleep there also. May aircon, aircon.
Boring na daw yun niya sa ganun. Sugod wala ka.
May 7-Eleven!
Yes!
Makabakakas yung card.
Nasig ka mo. Ano no?
Master! May kuliot. Mike, this is the hardest travel we ever made. United Church, we're here. Then,
Look na, Papa. Look na, Papa.
then, hey! Hello, Mike. Oy, ara ka din! Wala kang food, yaan na!
Hello, ladies. High five. Yeah, have fun.
This is our friend. Hello.
Ikaw mo lang.
Hello,
Ikaw mo
Rosa's
lang.
mom.
Yes.
So crowded.
Restaurant to. Hindi sila restaurant.
Hallelujah. Father, we come into your presence tonight and we pray, God, that you would rend the heavens and come, Lord. We pray your presence will fill this house, Lord, and it would be nothing more pleasing to us, God, that your presence would come, Lord. Hallelujah. Father, we just glorify you today, Lord. We know, Lord, the hour has come for the Son of Man to be glorified on the earth. We stand here tonight and we give you the glory and we give you the praise. And we thank you that by the blood of Jesus Christ, we can approach your presence with confidence, Lord, by that new and living way made open for us at Calvary. We thank you. Billy Graham is all through the news. Folks, something's going on. Something stronger than 911. There's a prophetic whirlwind. And the church will rise up and we're just not going to let it go. Bless Singapore, be the Antioch. Bless. Bless America.
Come on, why don't we believe for this wave in all the nations of the world right now? In the name of Jesus, come on, church, come on, I don't hear you. Come on. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, do I release that anointing? Father, I pray for you. When I pray for America, I pray for 44 nations represented here. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, and I release that fresh fire.
So we just finished the first night. It was good. I went to the altar call. It was great. 30 minutes. A lot of releasing the anointing. Marketplace, Christian, intercession, prayer. Just see the clips.